Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile on your personal computer using a controller. First, you will need to download a reliable Android emulator, like GameLoop or BlueStacks, onto your computer. Once downloaded, install the emulator by following the simple on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the emulator and sign in with your Google Play Store account to access the App Store. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. Now that your emulator is ready, it is time to get the game. Search for Call of Duty Mobile within the emulator's App Store. Once you find it, proceed with the installation, which typically takes several minutes depending on your internet speed. After the game has fully downloaded and installed, you can launch Call of Duty Mobile directly from the emulator's home screen. Ensure your internet connection is stable for a smooth download and initial game launch. Next, let's connect your controller. Plug in your compatible controller to your personal computer using a USB cable or connect it wirelessly via Bluetooth. Then, access the emulator's key mapping or controller settings menu. Here, you can configure the in-game controls to match your preferred controller layout, assigning actions to specific buttons. Remember to save your custom controller settings so they are ready for every future gaming session, ensuring a consistent experience. To enhance your gaming experience, consider a few optimization tips. Adjust the emulator's graphics settings to achieve smoother performance, balancing visual quality with frame rate. Experiment with different controller sensitivities to find the perfect feel that suits your playstyle. Spend some time practicing in the game's training modes to master your new control scheme. With these adjustments, you can fully enjoy playing Call of Duty Mobile on a larger screen with precise controller input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.